Hello friends, welcome you all to Alpha Technicals. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also please press the bell icon. Let us analyze Nifty. What happened to Nifty today? As we discussed yesterday, I told you today's low is crucial. Sorry, I told you when market closes at the lowest point or almost to the lowest, there will be a gap down. There was a gap down, but market recovered, went up still here and then came down. Okay, this is called bearish engulfing. There is a divergence also formed in the day candle. Okay, RSI divergence has formed in the day candle. So keep this level is very important, 10,171. Okay, and yes, today's low and plus 10,170. If it breaks that, it will land up at 10,060. If it breaks that, it will land up at 9977, then 9895. What you have to do is you have to mark all these reference points in your intraday chart. Okay, you should have some robust intraday charts or the setup where you will be using this. Okay, it is very important to have a very good intraday setup with us, and then you should mark all these points when Nifty or Bank Nifty, which when you are using, which comes to that particular point, whether you should square off or take the position in the reverse as per the candlestick pattern or as per your setup. That is why we see the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. That is why we do this analysis to mark the points. And straight away with the day candle we cannot do intraday trading or scalping. Okay, we can do some swing trading with this help. Okay, you can see exactly yesterday I didn't show this. 61.8 retracement value was there. It came down from there, from the recent high to the recent low, Fibonacci retracement value. So most probably it should start the process of coming down. Okay, immediately it will not come down straight away. Again, depends upon the news, market flows, and then all other things, global cues, I think. But basically Indian economy is not good, so market should not go up. That much is sure. Okay, if it has to grow, it has to cross the 61.8 retracement, and then 10,729 will be very strong. Again there will be strong resistance. You can see from here market has fallen. Then this fill up this gap, and it will go up. It may not happen in near term so easily. Market has to struggle. It requires lot of energy to do it. Whether this move was volume supported, let's check that. You can see the average volume of today and turnover of the average volume has gone up, average turnover is gone up. So today's move was a volume supported move. We will confirm here also, right? You can see here it is a volume is big. It's a volume. See, yesterday the candle is big, the volume was low. Today volume is very high. The movement of Nifty was small because there was a fight between bulls and the bears. Okay, bulls were able to take the market down. The bears were able to take the market down. The bulls took the market up still to the high. Again, bears pitched in, sellers came in, and then half of the recovery is gone today, right? So this shows bearish condition. Okay, with the volume supported move, yes, with volume is showing it's a volume supported move. That also indicates the trend is going to continue, right? Next, what we will see is FII DI data. FII were 1050 crores net sellers, DI is minus 255 crores. What does the option chart tell? Option chart tells there will be a fight between bulls and the bears. You can see call writing has happened, put writing has happened here, right? And there is a support, small support at 10,300. Okay, and then we can see support at 10,000. Okay, the major build up, I'm speaking major build up at 10,500 with the 13 lakhs change is the build up. Okay, and then here the major build up is at 10,000. Okay, mostly market may range between 10,500 to 10,000. This still July 2nd expiry. This is only a guess. Okay, again let us see tomorrow what happens, how much OA builds up here and here. Accordingly we can take a call. Okay, let us check the global cues. You can see global 0.24% change in Nasdaq. Europe were positive. Okay, about average of 0.75%, 1%. Okay, our SGX Nifty is down by 0.35%. Okay, please check the global cues morning around 8 to 8:30. That will be more reliable. Okay, commodities, you can see crude is up by 0.17%. 0.17%. Gold is down by 0.39%. Right. Now let us check Bank Nifty. See 1 hour candle Nifty we left. You can see 1 hour candle. See here. From I told you yesterday 55 is very important. It has taken support 2 times. It has taken support from 55. Third time it touches, it may break. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 candles are not able to break this high. What is the high? Approximately we'll put one line and see. It is around 10,374. That is 10,353. We'll go back to day candle and check what is that 10,353. Okay. 10,000, this is 5, 10,353, 393, you saw here, 10,327, this high, we told from here market has come down, that is acting as a strong resistance. Market has to break this today's high, only then it may have some chance of moving up, or it may consolidate also, we don't know. Okay, as per the market opening, we have to adjust our trades. Even in Bank Nifty, it is the same condition. Okay, but Nifty came back from 61.8%, but Bank Nifty is coming back from 38.2%. So Bank Nifty is weak, it is lagging behind Nifty, it is not performing as per that. You can see here, this is 55-day, here also it has taken support at 55-day moving average in 1 hour candle, right? There is a divergence in, in 1 hour candle also there was a divergence in Nifty, in day candle also there is a RSI divergence in Nifty. Right friends, hope this analysis are useful to you people. Okay, if anything you want to add or delete, you please let me know. We'll try to accommodate all those things. Okay, please plus thumbs up. Okay, also if you are new, subscribe to our channel, also press bell icon. We'll be coming out with some few more videos, how to use NSE website, how to use investing.com. Okay, all those things, general things, and then plus some few buying and selling options strategies also. Thank you friends. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.